Hey folks, and welcome to DevTrends. Today we're going to talk about new Figma 3.0 release and Traversy Media free tutorials. So Figma is an awesome tool to prototype and design your applications. It has comprehensive tooling, collaborative features, it's easy and fun to use, and therefore not surprising that Figma quickly gained a lot of fans lately. And recently new major version of Figma has been released. Figma 3.0 added many new features like, for example, device frames, which help you to develop UI from different platforms, styles, which make possible to add a kind of style guide to a project to easily manage global styles, and more. For example, with device frames, you can easily see how your UI will look on different devices, like the whole range of iPhones or even Apple Watch. And here is awesome video tutorial on the topic of how to use frame. The link to it will be in the description below. It shows you how you can both prototype your UI as in preview it like it will be on actual device with all the scrolling, swiping, fixed positioning and stuff. It's really cool tutorial and it's available on Figma official YouTube channel. So here is it. And another cool feature of new Figma is called styles. And styles help you to organize and reuse your presentational entities. For example, you can make a global color and change it to another value with just a few clicks, like here in tutorial. And this makes possible to create a so-called style guide for your application, where you can see all the variables used for creating your user interface and change it whenever you want. And last but not least feature of the new Figma is an update for Figma corporate plans. You can see them here. There is a new tier called Organization tier, which provides enhanced features for companies, organization-wide design systems, enforcing security via additional login restrictions, and admin controls to centrally control all these features. But it's worth noting that Figma is still completely free for individual projects with all its possibilities and features. So it's a cool way to start developing your own UI. And probably one of the coolest features of Figma for developers is that it has its own API, which opens endless possibilities for tweaks and integrations with other services. So Figma is a really top-notch platform to manage UI of your application, and with the new release it keeps pushing forward to conquer the world of UI prototyping tools. So let's go to the next topic. Traversy Media is one of the best YouTube channels for developers. It has great tutorials on node.js, PHP, Angular, CSS and much more. It is being held by Traversy, who does his best job to provide us with amazing stuff to learn web development. So moreover, all these tutorials are completely free and there are currently more than 200 of them. And recently a Redditor created a comprehensive list of all videos posted on Traversy Media on YouTube. It is here and you can find the link below, and it contains courses on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, numerous practical ones about creating web projects and a lot more. And well, there are even database and Git tutorials or so-called crash courses where you can get basic understanding of topics in no more than half an hour. For example, let's go to Git and check it. So you can see this is a Git crash course for beginners by Traversy Media, and it's just like half an hour long. Not so much to learn Git basics. And if you like Traversy Media stuff and want to support Brett, you can follow his Patreon campaign and make a donation in order for Brett to keep doing well. Because this is a really great thing what Traversy Media does, and he deserves to get back much more. That's all for today, folks. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay trendy.